Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, we will try to do some of the problems programming through programming. So I will try to explain you one by one the coding thing. So some solutions we'll try to do it with the programming thing. So it's a basic thing. So you people as a freshers or you people are doing the BTech or anything. So you people can practice these things. For example, let's say that any user, so Ramesh, something like that, Ramesh has a basic salary and he needs to enter the basic salary through the keyboard, and we need to calculate the dearness allowance, which is a 40% of his basic salary, and also we need to calculate the house rent allowance, which is 20% of his basic salary. So we need to write a program to calculate his gross salary. So let's try to do it. So now here for this one, what I will try to do it is, let's try to create a new program. Here I will create a new file. Let's say that salary.c. okay. So this is the thing. Now here I will be using hash include studio.h, and here in this one int main I will be using int main, and here we need to calculate this one. So now here what I will try to do, here I will ask, here we can have float. So what is the basic salary? So here we can ask something like what we can do it is, we can ask the basic salary. So here we can ask basic salary, and here we need to know the DA, dearness allowance, and also the HRA, and also the total gross salary. So you can have it like this total. So these are the four things which we need to have. So first we need to know the gross salary. So enter the basic salary, basic salary of the person, anything, whoever it may be the person. So now for this one, so we can do the scanf of, so here this one is a percentage f, right? So as this one is a float, percentage f, and we can calculate ampersand basic salary. That's it. So now we got the basic salary. So what we need to do, so we need to calculate the BDA, dearness allowance. It should be something around 40% of the basic salary, right? 0.4 into the basic salary. That's it. We got the DA, and we need to get the HRA also. It should be something like 20% of the basic salary. So that means 0.2 into basic salary. So we got the DA, HRA, and also the basic salary also we got it. Now we need to know the gross salary. Gross salary is equal to nothing but basic salary plus DA plus HRA. So these all combined, you will be able to get the basic salary. So here we need to add a space so that we can able to understand it very easily. So now we need to print all the details. So printf, so I will be doing basic salary of the person is equal to percentage of /n. So here we can write it something like basic salary. Now another one is printf dearness allowance is equal to percentage of /n, and here we can write the DA. Last one is printf, so we can have what is that one, house rent allowance is equal to percentage of /n, and here you can have the HRA. The total one, last one is nothing but printf gross pay is equal to percentage of /n. Here I can have something like gross salary. So now here I can do return 0. That's it. So this is our simple thing. So now if you try to execute the code, let's try to execute this code. So here it will ask you some series of questions. So let's try to see it. It is asking enter the basic salary of the person. Let's say that the basic salary of the person is 3000. Let's assume. And here you will be able to see the basic salary of the person is 3000. Dearness allowance is 1200 and house rent allowance is 600. Total gross pay is 4800. So this is how we will be calculating the total this one. So here the explanation of this one is, so here the person, try to see, the program asks for the basic salary of the person Okay, and the formulas is dearness allowance, that is DA, it is 40% of the basic salary, and HRA it is 0.2% of the 20% of the basic salary, and gross salary is nothing but the sum of the basic salary, DA and HRA. So here the basic salary is read using the scanf and stored in the variable basic salary. So here it is stored. DA is calculated 40% of BP basic salary, and also it is stored in the DA, and HRA is calculated with 20% of basic salary, and it is stored in the HRA. So gross salary is calculated with the sum of basic salary, DA and HRA. The program prints the values of the basic salary, DA, HRA and gross salary using the printf. So this is the basic explanation of the code. So now the next one which I want to tell you is distance conversion. So here I will try to create a new one, that is nothing but distance. So here distance dot c. So now let's say that distance between the two cities is input through the keyword. Write a program to convert and print this distance in meters, feet, inches and centimeters. So this is the code which we need to write it. So the program converts a given distance in kilometers to meters, centimeters, feet and inches. So now here for this one what I will try to do it is, so here I will do the hash include, so distance hash include studio.h. Okay, now here we will be having int main. So now in this main, let's say that we will be having a float. So I will be having kilometers, so we need to calculate the meters, m I will take it, centimeters, feet and inch. Okay, so these are the four things which we need to do it. So here if you want you can give a space like this. So now first of all we need to take the kilometers. So printf enter the distance in kilometers. So here I can use it like this, and here what we need to do, so we need to take the scanf. So in this scanf I can take the percentage of, and here we need to take the ampersand kilometer. That's it. So now what I will try to do, so first of all we need to calculate the meters. Meters is equal to kilometers into 1000. Okay, into 1000 we will be able to get the kilometers. So now meters, that is nothing but we know about this one. So now here we need to get the centimeters. Centimeters is equal to meter into 100, and next one is inches. So inch is equal to, so we need to get the centimeter divided by 2.54, then we will be able to get the centimeter. Now next one is which we want to do it is, that is nothing but feet. Feet is equal to inch divided by 12. So these are the formulas. So we got all the things. Now we need to print the details. So here printf distance in meters is equal to, distance in meters is equal to percentage of slash n, and here I can use the meters, that's it. And now here distance in, here I can use the centimeter, and here I can use centimeter. And next one is distance in feet, so we can use the feet, and here I can use the feet. And last one is the distance in inches, I can use the inch. So this is how we will be doing, and last one we can be written 0. Now if you want to execute this code, so directly you can take this. So now here enter distance in kilometers, let's say 300 kilometers. Now it is showing distance in meters is 30,000, so 3,98,000, so something like this it is showing. So this is how we will be calculating the distance in the thing. So now here if you try to give the 3 means, you will be able to get the output. So the last one, the last code before closing this one, so I want to do another program, simple program, which will be calculating the aggregate and also the percentage calculation. Let's say that a student is there, so he got marks obtained by a student, so in 5 different subjects. So it should be taken as an input through the keyboard, and we need to write a program to find out the aggregate marks, that is total marks, and also the percentage marks obtained by the student. Assume that the maximum marks that can be obtained by a student in each subject is 100. So let's try to take it. So for this one what I will try to do it is, so the same thing here, marks, I will try to take it marks.c program. So for this one what I will do it is, so here also same thing, hash include studio.h. So So int main. So in this one, let's say that I am having int, so marks m1 comma m2 comma m3 comma m4 comma m5 comma aggregate. Last one is the aggregate. So these are the integer marks, let's assume. So why I am taking it as an integer is, so we will be getting only with an integer. Let's say I am assuming it. So float will be the percentage will be always float, percentage I am taking it. So now I want to take the values. Printf enter marks in 5 subjects. Sorry, enter marks in 5 subjects. So here I will be taking only one scanf. So here scanf. So I will be taking 3 values, something like you can also provide it like this also. Percentage D, percentage D, percentage D, percentage D, and percentage D. 5 are there. So we can also use it like this: M1 comma ampersand. So ampersand M2 comma ampersand M3 comma ampersand M4 comma ampersand M5. So these are the things which we can do it. So here like this also, in single scanf also we can take it like this. Now aggregate is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. So these are the things which we can do it. So now here, so we are taking it as an aggregate, and now we need to calculate the percentage. So percentage means percentage is equal to aggregate divided by total 5 are there, 5 subjects. So now we need to printf. So printf aggregate marks is equal to percentage D slash n, and here you can use the aggregate. And in the same scenario, so here it should be printf, not print. And here also you can have it printf percentage marks is equal to percentage of slash n, and here we can use it something like percentage. That's it. And here I will use return 0. So now if you try to execute this code, so let's try to see it. So here it is executing, it is compiling, and after compilation it will ask you enter marks in 5 subjects. So let's say that 23 space 23 space 23 and space 35 space, like this I will enter. So now here you will be able to see the aggregate marks is 137 and the percentage in marks we got it is the 27. So this is how we will be calculating the aggregation of the marks. So now here, so key points to be understood is variables and data. The program uses the float for decimal values like salary, distance and percentages. Int is used for whole numbers like marks. Scanf is used to get input from the user. Printf is used to display the results. So basic arithmetic operations like multiplication, division and addition are used to calculate the results. So in problem second one, various conversions kilometers to meters, feet to inches, these are all the things we have did it, right? We have did it using the basic multiplication and division formulas. So first problem what we have did is calculate the gross salary using basic salary, dearness allowance and house rent allowance. So we have did it. And second one is convert the distance from kilometers to meters, centimeters, feet and inches we have did it. And the last one is we have calculated the aggregate and percentage marks of a student in 5 subjects. So these are the foundational C programming problems that deal with input arithmetic operations and displaying the results. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about the basic foundational program, how to write the coding in the C language. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.